Hi there, are you ready for another cool question? Let's dive in. We have a rectangular prism with dimension 15, 10, and 5 centimeter and is filled with water to a depth of 4 centimeter. The prism is then tilted so that the water surface reaches a 5 centimeter edge. Find the new water depth. In fact, we are going to find the value of this side, which is x. Okay. Before tilting the prism, the water is simply a rectangular prism, so we can find the volume of water. We know that the volume of this prism equals the area of the base, which is 15 times 10 times the height of the water, which is 4. So the volume is 600 centimeter cubed, the volume of the water. Since tilting the container doesn't change the amount of water, this volume stays the same. After tilting, notice that the front face of the water forms a trapezoid. You can see that here. Because the height of water in this way and this way is different, so we cannot consider the base of this prism 5 and 10, this rectangle. So how about this trapezoid? We can consider this front face the base of this prism, and we know that this prism has two parallel sides. The first one is 15 and the second one is this side, which is called x. So we can find the area of this trapezoid, which is sum of two parallel sides, 15 plus x, times the distance between these two parallel sides is 10 over 2. Simplify these two, so the area of trapezoid is 75 plus 5x. The area. And then the trapezoid extends through the entire depth of the prism, so we can find the volume of the water in this form. So the volume is the area of the base, which is the area of the trapezoid, 75 plus 5x, times the height, which is 5. 5 times 75 is 375 plus 5 times 5x is 25x, the volume. Since the volume of water doesn't change, we can set these two volumes equal and solve for x. So we have 600 equals 375 plus 25x. Subtract 375 from both sides, give us 225 for the left side equals 25x. And x is 225 over 25, which is 9 centimeter. And this is the final answer of this question. In fact, when we tilted the container, so the depth of water is 9 centimeter. Okay, this is the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and support me. And I also highly recommend you to watch these related videos on this topic. See you in the next one. Bye for now.